My people, I just say, make I tell you something. Strike 2 secrets that you need to know concerning this time. Number 1, that money that you receive from someone you like, that particular money, save. You know why? January. A lot of people will enjoy today, and January they will. In fact, they have to go out and begin to beg. It's not our portion, but you have to put it in practice. Now, if you save, just go and do 1 korom, do it. Start saving. Tell me how much from now till January ending. By the time you reach February, you will understand what I'm saying. I just say, make I tell you this, number 1. Another one is number 2. You see your children, children will want you to take them to everywhere this time. Plan your way. You don't plan your way. These children, they will not even, they will make, you will overspend because of them. If you can't buy clothes again this time, just wait January ending. Everything will come down. We they do now, so they do it before now. You don't forget. Things will come down. So those money where you put for korom, if not cloth you want use and buy that time, you go buy them. So, but the major thing is this: did you save? Another thing is this: avoid trouble this time, because people will not like you. If you make them angry, they go put you for police station. Now, so you go just the stress. You go they go up and down. That's why I'm telling you this. Avoid trouble. Will trouble come? Sure, it will. But avoid it. I just say make I drop this. Love and that Family TV. What are we talking about this here? Good relationship that brings a good successful family. Family is the best. One love in the family. There must be people that are looking for your trouble in the family. But because you have learned the secret of relationship, and I told you that secret, number 1 is patience. Number 2, be slow to anger. Number 3, close your mouth. When the other person is angry, talk less. Goodbye.